This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Allison Sims. Beautiful home in the heart of Bartlett, with over an acre lot. Tons of updating in the house with an open floor plan. Featuring granite countertops throughout the house, gourmet kitchen featuring island, tons of counter and cabinet space, breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances and gas stove. Elegant tiled showers. Walk through the Four Seasons sunroom into park-like backyard with a custom-made treehouse. Did I mention the washer, dryer and refrigerator stay? For more information, review the details below or contact Allison Sims at 901-861-4808.